Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset Samsung dishwasher, clear error codes and restore normal operation. To reset a Samsung dishwasher, perform a hard electrical reset by turning off the dishwasher's dedicated circuit breaker in your home's main electrical panel for 5 full minutes. This cuts all residual power to the control board and clears stubborn error codes. Standard reset methods. Method 1. The soft reset control panel. Press and hold the start/reset button for 3 seconds. The control panel lights will shift and you will hear a motor activate as the dishwasher automatically spends 1 to 2 minutes draining any remaining water inside the tub. Method 2. The hard reset no breaker access. If your circuit breaker panel is inaccessible, locate the dishwasher's power cord under the kitchen sink and unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it disconnected for 5 minutes before plugging it back in to force a system reboot. How to reset specific error codes. LC or LE code, leakage error. This code indicates the moisture sensor in the base tray detects water. So pull the dishwasher out, tilt it forward carefully at the 45-degree angle over a towel to drain the excess pan water, and let it dry for 24 hours. The error will auto-reset once dry. 4E or 4C code, water supply error. The dishwasher is not getting water fast enough. So turn off the machine, check the water supply valve under the sink to ensure it is fully open, and inspect the inlet hose for kinks. The 5E or 5C code, drain error. The machine cannot pump out the dirty water. First, clean the sink drainage garbage disposal connection. Remove the circular filter at the bottom of the tub to clear food, debris, and straighten any pinched drain hose. If your control panel is completely unresponsive and shows a padlock icon or the letter CL, the buttons are locked. So press and hold the sanitize button or the half load button, depending on your model, for 3 seconds until the lights turns off to restore normal button functions. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.